Fire Escape Academy Inspector Training video. Here we are in a fire escape here in Edgewater. Fire escape has been kept painted. The main issue with this entire fire escape is it's an all bolted fire. It's an all welded fire escape. Every one of these welds will have to be bolted in order to satisfy the fact that we, in lieu of a load test, all welded connections must either be load tested, X-rayed, or if you throw bolts through them, you don't have to verify any of these connections. But all these treads, they got a little bit of water penetration on top. But the holes are there, ready for the welding. Ready for the bolt. But there is water that has come through. See the rusty tears coming through? As soon as you pop a bolt, seal the top with silicone. We don't have to load test this anymore. So all these treads need to be rebolted. I've got diamond plate down here at the bottom. And a lot of these welded connections need to be bolted and then sealed so that water doesn't keep eating them. Some of these joints need to be sealed. After you clean them, I want to see what's going on underneath. You got to seal it up against the wall there too, so that water's not getting in. We do have a combination of wood, and a lot of times it's pretty thick wood, probably around 2 inches thick. But it is starting to show its age. This is probably going to be the last year that you're going to be dealing with this one. In 5 years from now, you're probably going to have to either replace or reinforce some of these treads. Brand new deck or stairs here, probably 5 to 10 years old, new construction. Again, this is an exterior steel wooden stair, so this one looks very good. I don't have too many issues. It does transition into cement over here. This one doesn't look too bad, nice and sturdy. I would start sealing this thing up, otherwise you're going to have issues. But we need to get in here and get all this rust out. All this rust has got to get out and then sealed. Okay. And then as you start getting it underneath here, it's hard to see. See if I can get the flashlight here, but this is probably going to have to get the flashlight. We got a lot of rust underneath here, and this rust is just that. It's where the water has come in and basically created a separation. So we need to get underneath here and clean out all this rust and then seal it up again. The diamond plate is popping through up there. So, and then where it ties in into the cement, we need we're getting some rounding of the pipe, so water's definitely getting in here. So it's just general maintenance, but the whole platform up there, you've got metal and diamond plate that are separating between, so definitely need to do that. Fire escape will need to have a permit pulled in order to do the work on here. Engineer oversight is mandatory as per the code official, requiring that not only a permit be pulled on this, but it must have engineer oversight. And any and all questions regarding the repair criteria that we're about to submit to the official must be dealt through fire escape engineers. 800-649-3333. At this time, this fire escape does not pass inspection due to routine maintenance. There's no life safety issues right now on this fire escape, but there is routine maintenance that needs to be done in lieu of a load test. And once those repairs are done, we can then discuss with the official whether or not they still want to load test it, or if all the repairs that we schedule for this fire escape, which is basically all the welds, need to be backed up with a bolted connection, load test may be waived at this time. Okay? Any questions? Fire escape engineers, Inspector Meneses here, 800-649-3333.